Good afternoon to all. My name is Fatima Pain Siddiqui. Thought is, life is 10% what happens to me and 90% how I react to it. जिंदगी में 10% है कि मेरे साथ क्या होगा और 90% है कि मैं उस पर क्या प्रतिक्रिया दूंगी. Thank you.
Thank you, Fatima, for sharing such a wonderful thought. I would like to call Noel on the stage for story of the day.
Topic of the story: Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, from newspaper boy to missile man of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He came from a poor family and helped his parents by delivering newspapers. Even though the life was difficult, he never gave up on his education. He studied hard and became a great scientist. He worked at ISRO and DRDO, where he made important contributions to India's missile and space programs. Because of his achievements, he was called the Missile Man of India. In 2007, he became the President of India. He was known for his honesty, simple lifestyle, and love for students. He always encouraged people to dream big, hard work, and be honest. Dr. Kalam's life teaches us that with determination and hard work, we can overcome any obstacles.
Wonderful moral story. Like it tells us that story is not just about entertainment. Story is not just about entertainment. It is about moral values, lessons that is of real life lessons. It tells us that how APJ Abdul Kalam overcome his poverty. So we should always try to take this moral and put into our real life. So now we are a part of our India. Our country has a great culture, tradition, custom. But nowadays in this modern life we are forgetting this. We are forgetting our custom, our tradition. To reconnect with our custom and tradition, I would like to call student of 10th for the devotional song. Now it's pure energy that we are a people of India. We know our custom, our tradition. The epic Mahabharata tell us about the customs and tradition of our nation. So now let us know the remarkable moment happened many years ago. We all are curious about knowing new things, the things happens in past. So I would like to call Siddesh Gaikwad on the stage for history of the day.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddesh Gaikwad. I am studying in the 10th A standard. Today I am representing the history of the day. On date 1st August 1920, the Lokmanya Tilak, who was the great Indian, passed away on the same date. Mahatma Gandhi also launched the non-violence constitution in our movement in our nation on this date. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddesh, for updating our history and historical facts. We should aware about the things not just past, but also about the things which happen today. We should know also that. So, for the news of the day, I would like to call Sonakshi Sabri. Give a big round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sonakshi, and I have came over first August 2026. And today is first we know about our nation. And our nation, and our nation is India, and we all know that. So, our India, the IMD means Indian Meteorological Department. So, about Indian Meteorological about alert about heavy rainfall. So in several states they have given in the several states they have told due to monsoon to have a heavy rainfall. So let us know about international news. So in international news, India and Bhutan are approved 12 new projects, 12 new development projects about strength and cooperation between two countries. And so here now we will let us know about sports. So we all know that our women are also very talented. So we all know that the Asmita they has both the gold medal in judo and the Neeraj Chopra has also won the silver medal. So this is all news about today. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are continuing assembly. I will continue this assembly. Now please have a seat. Now we know about the news which was happening today. Now we know about the history, the news, the story, the thought. Now it's time for motivational song. As we all know that we are a 10th standard student, we have lots of burden on our head, but still we are studying. To motivate ourselves and the students, I would like to call students of 10A for the motivational song. year in this school. Every school holds a special place in the student's heart. So, to share our thoughts, our gratitude, our love to our beloved school, we are going to present a song which was written and composed by us from 10th A students. So, please welcome them with a big round of applause. I would like to thank them. Thank you so much, students, for this really beautiful song. And it is really a heart-filling way because as we are all the 10th standard students, it is the last year. We don't know where we are going to go. So, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. As we come to end of today's assembly, it is my privilege to invite Principal Ma'am to share her thoughts and valuable words on this assembly. Ma'am, please.
Good afternoon to all teachers and my dear students present here. I really appreciate and admire what the song they have been composed. I think who has written this? Very good. Give them a big hand because the lyrics and to compose it is really difficult thing. And our students, I think all of you got that, that point. Yes, we can compose song also, and in English itself. Actually, English is not our language, but even though it's very good song, I hope on the day of 5th September, it will be, that means we have to present properly in front of whole school. So once again, congratulations. And I thought today, I think the send-off is going on. So in this way, our monitor, class monitor, who is class monitor? Jasmine. What the anchoring she has done, the way she is speaking, her throat, her voice is really very amazing. So I think Jasmine will become anchor in future. And of course, in all the senior colleges and all, she will get that chance to perform over there. So once again, very good. And I just want to make one announcement that after examination, we are going to conduct one installation ceremony, first time in Chartered English School, in which we are going to elect head boy and head girl. Also, we are going to present monitors of the classes. Also, the heads of various classes also, sports head, cultural head, monitors, discipline head, so that the students will get some responsibility, because we are giving authority, then only students or the people are becoming responsible for that. So that authority will get in that installation ceremony, and a huge program will be done by teachers for the students also. So once again, thank you very much, and once again I appreciate, very good it was, and I I think all the students, 8, 9, 10 standard students are really very disciplined because I never get complaints from the teachers also. All the students are very, very, very good. Thank you.
I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this assembly meaningful and successful. I sincerely thankful for our respected principal ma'am for her inspiring words and constant guidance. It is also extend my gratitude to our respected class teacher Deepika Radhan for her encouragement and support. Lastly, I thank you to everyone for your kind attention and discipline throughout the assembly. Have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.
Mukham